Yo, what up YouTube, it's Ryan Yarm. This is just an abandoned factory video. We just explored it, and yeah, I turned the brightness all the way up on the video, but the actual brightness in the factory was very dark. Couldn't see nothing, and don't have a flash on my iPhone. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
So this is the place that we explored. This was before it was abandoned, so the windows are not boarded up. So this is what it looks like more currently, but this is where we hopped onto the roof. The construction pipes weren't there, so we had to climb up a window, but it's right there. And from there, all we did was hop through a window that was open.
Alright, we're currently walking across Green Bridge. It's like an exploring places video. And right here we're going to the Whip City Museum factory, whatever the fuck it is.
My guy, I was just gonna say it might be better if you take off the backpack. There you go. You did it.
Alright guys, we've currently got on top of the roof. As you saw me struggle, Anthony's trying to get through any window possible. The window really open? Alright. Oh my god, go, man. Alright, so we're currently in here. Yo, this is some sketchy shit, my guy. What is that? Keep going, I heard sirens. Got my other phone. Currently using this as a flashlight because it's dark as fuck. Anthony currently has a light on too. Alright, come on. Fuck off with the shoes.
I tell you what, I'm looking for a whip. Is that a fucking saddle? No.
Nigga, come on, we gotta keep moving. Let's go.
Alright.
Yo, this place is creepy as fuck, my guy. Ow, what the fuck? Ow! Yo, he's actually got a whip. Yo, that shit hurts like hell. Hey, yo, come on, keep moving.
Oh, yes.
What?
Yes.
What?
My nigga. This. Oh, they opened that door? That was not open before.
Yeah, because there's offices in here. Yo, what's that beeping? Get the fuck out of here, yo. Yo, that's security. That's security. No,
The front door has an alarm on it if you open that door.
nigga, let's get the fuck out of here. Anthony! Let's go, my guy. Anthony! Hurry up! Alright. Currently get the fuck out of here.
Got two whips, my nigga.
Alright, throw them down.
Huh?
Throw them down.